Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce to you the difference between American standard light steel keel walls and Australian standard light steel keel walls. Take a look here. Here are two pieces of light steel keel walls. Can you guess which one is the American standard and which one is the Australian standard? Alright, I believe the professionals among you have already figured it out. Larger ones are American standard, smaller are Australian. American light steel keel is generally made to a width of 140 millimeters. As for its wall thickness, it's generally made to 1.0, 1.2, or 1.5 millimeters. If we're talking about our beams, they usually need to be around 350 to 400 millimeters. These are also C-shaped steel. As for the Australian standard, the width of its light steel keel is about 89 millimeters. Its overall thickness commonly ranges from 0.8 to 1.2 millimeters. Why is there this difference? Because the US sits on a seismic belt and faces hurricanes. So for structural calculations, the requirements in all aspects surpass Australian standards with higher product requirements. Another key difference exists. In the Australian standard system, you can take a look, for example, our vertical keel and bottom keel. Both of these keels are C-shaped structures. We call this the CC structural system. The machine is here where the vertical keel is inserted and slotted together. This is the CC system under the Australian standard. In the United States, you can also take a look. It uses a CU system. Our vertical keel is a C-shaped keel and the bottom keel is a U-shaped keel. There's no need for slotting here because it can be directly inserted for connection. Another notable feature is that the American standard we use uses self-drilling screws. You can see here they are these hex socket screws. Their diameter is basically 6 millimeters, whereas for the Australian standard, they generally use 4.2 millimeter screws. Phillips self-drilling screws are sufficient, so the screws used here are also different. Another difference lies in the perforations. The Australian standard mainly uses round holes, or oval holes. The American standard perforations are more like a C-shaped hole. It also has an extra steel plate. This steel plate, during installation, can be knocked by electricians and plumbers to form a product similar to an angle iron. Pipes and wires can pass through it, and it can be fixed at this spot. This is a feature of the American standard system. Today, I've shared with you the differences between the American and Australian standards for light steel keel wall structures. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Please like and follow if you found this helpful and share it with friends who might need it. See you next time. Bye.